Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change a logo image in WordPress. And our WordPress environment was set up using InstaWP. This service allows you to launch a disposable WordPress installation quickly, so check it out, instawp.io. Alright, so from our dashboard, to change our logo image, the first thing we need to do is go over to our customizer. So hover over Appearance and click Customize. Then we need to go over to Site Identity, and we see that we can select our logo, we can change our site title, our tagline, and we have some more options that we can configure. But we're working with our logo, so click Select Logo. And our media library just opened up. So we need to browse our logo. We just have an image, but this is not our logo. So if we click Upload Files in the top left-hand corner, we can drag and drop files to upload or select one from our computer. And that is assuming that you already have a logo created. So if you have not created a logo, you can create a free logo by going over to a website called Canva. So it's canva.com. And you can actually use this website to create a logo. And once you're done, just save it to your computer and upload it. You can also use apps such as Affinity Photo or Designer or Photoshop to create your logo. And the logo we are using today was created using Figma. It's just a simple number 87. So we have this in green and red as well as green and black. So let's go back to our website. We just want to click Select Files to browse the file on our computer. Click Open. And we just want to click Select. But we can also configure some more options. We can change our title, caption, description, or alt text. But today we are just going to click Select. We're going to leave this blank. And we can crop our image. We can make it a tighter crop, or we can just skip cropping altogether. So let's just click Skip Cropping. And we have selected our logo image. So to save our changes, we just want to go over to the top and click Publish. And once we're done, we just need to close this, go back to our dashboard, and visit our site. So our logo is now being displayed. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you guys how to remove a logo that you have already published. So what we need to do is go back to our dashboard, and from our browser, click the back button, then hover over Appearance and click Customize. Click Site Identity, then click Remove. Click Publish. And if we go back to our website, we will see that our logo is no longer there. Alright, so let's put our logo back. So we just want to click Select Logo. Click the logo, click Select, skip cropping, and publish. Alright, so we have our logo back. And this logo will stay up until we change it. So if we want to change our logo for a special occasion, such as Christmas or a company event or something, we can actually schedule that change. So we just want to go to the bottom and click Change Logo. Click Upload Files. And let's select a different logo. So we are going to select this green and red one. Click Open. And click Select. Skip cropping. Now instead of publishing, we just want to click this gear icon and click Schedule. Alright, so here we can select the time and date for which we want to change our logo. So we can make this change in just a few minutes or in about 1 minute. So I'm just going to add just about 1 or 2 minutes to this time and click Schedule. So go back. Alright, so the time has passed and you see our logo has changed to this green and red one. So this is how you schedule a logo change. So some themes would allow you to actually customize some logo settings such as the width or height. But this theme, the 2021 default WordPress theme, does not allow you to change these settings by default. But most third-party themes would allow you to change these settings. Or you could use a plugin or custom code. Well, I really hope this video helped. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.